Hi, I'm Jason Buffington. I've built a 30-year career on data protection. I love data protection in this industry. In fact, for the last 7 years, I was the principal analyst at the Enterprise Strategy Group, ESG, covering the entire data protection market. But I really wanted to go back to being a vendor. And so I've joined Veeam. I'm the Senior Director for Product Strategy. Let's talk about why. You know, for the whole 3 decades that I've been watching data protection, I don't think I've ever seen more innovation, kinds of innovation in data protection than I do right now. And it's not because backup is broken. The difference is that user expectations keep getting higher. Organizations require even more varieties of data protection to have the kinds of recovery and availability outcomes that they need. And so if you're using mediocre approaches for the technology, then you have outgrown those various data protection tools. Now that gave me a really interesting lens, because if you're going to look for what a modern data protection vendor should look like, that they have to have vision, they have to see what's coming in advance and have innovation in order to be able to make good on it before mainstream IT says that they need that. Veeam actually falls in that category, right? They saw the need, VM backup and recovery, but then they moved beyond that. They added snapshots, they added replication, they added tape. Who adds tape? They added cloud support, they added monitoring and orchestration. They're not done yet, right? Just this year alone, they've already announced 36% year-over-year growth, leading them towards $1 billion company. They added their biggest release yet and an acquisition. One of the other things I learned over the 7 years as an analyst, and I had the profound honor of working with every major data protection vendor about roadmap and strategy and messaging and everything else, but one of the other things I saw as a key differentiator is executive leadership. And that internal culture of not just trying to win the deal, but actually affect and change the landscape of the market that they're in. And despite what most other vendors and their facades show, most vendors just don't have that. In my opinion, I think Veeam's best days are ahead of them, and that's saying something, right? Certainly the product continues to evolve way beyond what the original solution set looks like. The internal culture is even more amazing than what it looks like from the outside. Partners just love the technology. Customers want to talk about how Veeam saved them along the way. Alliances, you can go on about all the energy that's there, and so I joined. But candidly, if you're an IT decision maker looking for what modern data protection looks like, or you're a partner who wants to try to deliver those services, that's kind of what you're looking for too, right? Energy, vision, innovation, leadership, and by the way, have some fun while you're doing it. So I joined Veeam to be on the inside. You might want to have a different relationship with them. If you don't follow me already, follow me on Twitter as jbuff, or check out my blog at centralizedbackup.com. If I can help you at all, please let me know, and thanks for watching.